some tostones, these fried platanos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat them with chicken. So they're going to be loaded chicken platanos, okay? I have leftovers, so okay, that's one. Let me do this one. Let me get this one out the way. It came out so good. I took my time making this. So I have leftover. I have leftover meat I could use. I probably used the meat to make use it to make arepas papusas. Probably use it for that. I'll see. Okay, so came out so good. Nice and cheesy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, this one is mine. Alright, so let me see if I could get one that has some meat on it. Put some meat on here. This has cheese, it has the peppers in here, all that good stuff. See? And you just eat it like that. Came out good. Alright, you guys. We'll be uploading some more. I have to hurry up and use the plantains before they, that was starting to turn yellow, because I don't really like using fully ripe plantains when it comes to like foods that are not savory. I mean, when it comes to food that are savory, I don't like using sweet plantains, okay? So I had to catch them before they turn all the way yellow. But I still use yellow plantains, but to make unsavory foods, like, desserts, like some, sweet desserts with it. That's the only way I'll use the sweet plantains. But when it's like who are you using, like chicken, pork, and stuff, I don't like using the sweetened plantains. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. I will be uploading some more.